Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can filter apps by O enabled or disabled on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page we scroll down and then tap on apps. In here, tap on the filter button in the Your Apps section. From the filter and sort pop-up, go to the filter by section and you could choose O enabled or disabled. So let's say if I choose O and then tap on OK. Now if I try to disable one of the apps, so Android Auto, then I select disable, then I select disable app. Now you can see that if I go down here and try to filter by apps, so I'm going to filter by enable apps or disable apps and then tap on OK. You can see in my list here it shows Android Auto is the disable app. So this is a quick way for you to filter out disable apps, so you can go in here and determine which apps you may want to enable or disable it. So I'm going to go in here and enable the Android Auto again. And now if I tap on the back, you can see this list currently have no disabled apps. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.